Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss an anti-allergy medicine that is commonly prescribed for various allergic conditions, and that is Instazin tablet. Instazin tablet contains the active ingredient cetirizine hydrochloride, which belongs to a group of medicines called antihistamines. Let us first understand how Instazin works. When our body comes in contact with allergens such as dust, pollen, animal fur, or certain foods, it releases a chemical called histamine. Histamine causes symptoms like itching, sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, and skin rashes. Instazin blocks the action of histamine, thereby reducing these allergy symptoms and providing relief. Now let's move to the uses of Instazin tablet. Doctors prescribe it for seasonal allergic rhinitis, hay fever, perennial allergic rhinitis caused by dust or pet dander, skin allergies such as urticaria, hives, chronic itching, watery or itchy eyes due to allergy. It can also help in controlling allergy-related sneezing and runny nose. Now let's discuss the dosage. For adults and children over 12 years, usually one tablet 10 mg once daily. For children between 6 to 12 years, dose may be lower, such as 5 mg daily depending on doctor's advice. It should be taken with water and can be taken with or without food. Do not exceed the recommended dose without consulting a doctor. Now the benefits of Instazin tablet provides quick relief from allergy symptoms, reduces itching, sneezing and runny nose, controls skin rashes and hives, improves quality of sleep by reducing nighttime allergy symptoms, works for both seasonal and long-term allergies. Like all medicines, Instazin tablet may also cause some side effects. Common ones include mild drowsiness or sleepiness, dry mouth, headache, stomach upset or nausea, tiredness. In rare cases, more serious side effects may occur, such as severe allergic reaction, difficulty breathing, swelling of face, lips or throat, fast or irregular heartbeat. If any severe side effect appears, immediate medical attention is needed. Now let's talk about some precautions. Instazin should not be taken without a doctor's advice. Avoid alcohol and sedative medicines while taking this tablet, as it may increase drowsiness. People with liver disease, kidney disease, or seizure disorders should inform their doctor before use. It may cause drowsiness, so avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should only take it if clearly prescribed by a doctor. To summarize, Instazin tablet is an effective antihistamine medicine that helps control allergies, reduces itching and rashes, and improves breathing by reducing nasal allergy symptoms. When used correctly under medical supervision, it provides quick and long-lasting relief. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed medical videos.